Hi everybody. In the last video lecture series, we saw coding and a simple example. In this lecture, we are going to see a brief example for BFS. So this is a given graph. We have to perform BFS. In the question, I am not given any starting node. So in alphabetical order, I am starting from A. So I am starting from A. I am inserting A. I have enqueued A in the. So I want to dequeue A. What I have to do? I have to enqueue all the neighbors of A. So who are all my neighbors of A? B and D. So I am enqueuing B and D. Meanwhile, I have visited A. I have to enqueue. I have dequeued A to the output. Now the first element in my queue is B. I want to dequeue it in the output. So before dequeuing, I am inserting or enqueuing the neighbors of B. So the neighbors of B are 3 arrow marks are going out. So C, E and G are the neighbors of B. So I am trying to enqueue C. So C is so far not visited, so I can enqueue E and G. I have enqueued all the things and now I can dequeue B. Now I am going to go to the next element pointed by front, or which is at the first of the queue, first or front element in the queue. Now if I want to delete D, I want to see the neighbors of D. Who are all the neighbors of D? Only C, but C is already in the queue, that is, it is already visited. So I cannot again insert it in. Now I can dequeue D. Now the next element pointed by C is, by the front is C. So the neighbors of C are A. Actually here you will be having one arrow mark, I have missed it, sorry. So the next neighbor of C is A. So I have visited A. I need not write any neighbors of A because A is already visited. Directly I can dequeue C. Now the next element of C is E. So E I am seeing the neighbors of E is H. H is not at all visited so far. So I am going to visit H. So H I am visiting. I'm not visiting, I'm enqueuing. So I'm enqueuing H here. Then I'm dequeuing E. Now I have to make E and H visited. I think H is equal to 1 is missing. So we have to put also H is equal to 1. Now I'm going to say by friend, G is the next element. The neighbors of G is F. So I am enqueuing F and I am making F as visited. Now I am dequeuing G. The next element pointed by the Q. So H I am, before dequeuing, I am seeing the neighbors of H, G and F. G and F are already visited. So directly I can dequeue it. Then the last element is F. The neighbor F doesn't have any neighbor. So directly I can dequeue F. So my answer is A, B, D, C, E, G, H, F. So very simple process in BFS. You have to start with one node, you have to enqueue it, then you have to dequeue it and put it in the output. Before performing this dequeue, you have to insert the neighbors of that particular element. Then you have to make that visited. You have to keep updating this visited column. Answer if you are doing patiently. So this is called as so this is BFS. In the next video lecture, we will be seeing depth first search. So stay tuned to Eezytutorials.